What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be playing a little bit of Don't Press the Button. And I will leave a link to the game in the description just in case you want to play this for yourself. And if you don't want to take the link, then just search up Don't Press the Button, and this is the first one. There's no numbers after it. It's not Don't Press the Button 2. It's just the original. So yeah. What are we doing? Click the button, somebody. Does nobody know how to click the button? Just out of the way. Click the button. Yes, thank you. Survive the lava spinner. Ooh, oh shoot, this is the lava spinner. Huh. I'm gonna die because my game's lagging. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Whoa, that was weird. It didn't even, like, it's such a big thing that's spinning. I shall hit you in the box. You know what I shall do? I shall floss in the box. Floss in the box, floss in the box, floss in the box, floss in the box. Look at me, I'm like a boss, flossing in the box. Can't speak at this point. Okay, where's the, uh-oh, a bomb. Push, a bomb. Get away. Push it off the map. I'm gonna push it off the map. Speed. Get it off. We don't want it. It's gonna explode. It's gonna die. We're all gonna die. Get away. We all died. We should have pushed that off the map. Give me the diamond. Nope, you don't get the diamond. I get the diamond. Ooh, dude. Oh, where'd he go? Up. Nope, that's just an AFK person. Click the button. Huh? Abru, what happens if you go in it? Nothing. Oh, I get a huge head. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. It's time for a trivia question. When was I think it was 2018. Nope, never mind. It must have been 2019 then. Whee. Watch out, boulders are incoming. Ooh, fun. What if I eat hot sauce and then I do gravity coil? Woo! Look at me. Or speed coil, actually. Watch out, boulders are incoming. Again? Yay. Oh, shoot. Oh, these people died. Goodbye. Bang. I have got you with my prop gun. Yep, it fell on the floor. Ah! That came so quickly. Again? Lasers. Haha. Can't touch me. Shoot. They touched me. Get to a corner. Corner. Haha, you shall never make it. Oh, you did. I'm just gonna drink this hot sauce and then hold grab it. No. Oh, wow. Ooh, I thought I fell. Never mind. Get to the red corner. I'm gonna go to the red corner. See it, you're gonna die. Let's try again. Oh, that was a good one. I survived, and this is survive the tornado. I just flew up. I didn't even try to survive that. Oh, that's a good one. That was funny. So just stay away from the tornado. Get away. I shall open shop. Gravity coil. That's Robux? Oh, that's stupid. Why? Whee! Ah. What if I just... Tutorial. Do this. These people don't know how to play. You go on the outside. Ah! Whoa! Yay! We made a beautiful picture! So yeah, guys, if you want to see another game like this, or like if you want to see another game like this, or you want to see this game again, just make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. Peace until next time. Goodbye.